everyone, good morning, happy new week. Let's make lunch for Unique. So for lunch, she's going to be having jollof rice and fried meat. Yes, my cow meat already cooked. I'll go ahead and warm it a bit, then transfer it into my air fryer while I go ahead and prepare our jollof rice. So in here is my jollof rice stew that I've already prepared. I'll just go ahead and add it into my pot. Because it's morning, I don't want to start cooking stew from scratch. So this way is more easy for me. So I'll go ahead now and add in my rice. Because my stew is already seasoning, I'll just add a little bit of salt and that is it. So in here I'm trying to prepare his fruit. For fruit, she's going to be having some tangerine and some cucumber. I'll go ahead and peel the tangerine and keep it aside. So I checked for my rice. Our rice is almost ready. So I'll go ahead and add in some butter and some chopped onions. At this point, we just need a little bit of it for our rice to be ready. So I'll be closing it with some foil paper. So guys, here's our protein is ready and our jollof rice is ready also. So it's time to pack lunch. So guys, lunch is ready. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next one. Bye bye. Mwah.